Okay, so let's proceed to example number 6. Find the equation of the circle in standard form if the diameter with endpoints 3 and -5 and 6 and 4. The first thing that you will do here is to write the given. Okay, our given here are two endpoints of our diameter. Okay? So, pwede natin i-symbolize itong 3 and -5 as point A, 3 and -5. Then our point B will be 6 and 4. Okay? So these are the endpoints of our diameter. We're asked to find the standard equation of our circle. And the formula that will be used later for this problem is x minus h quantity square plus y minus k quantity square is equal to r square. Okay? So let us proceed to our solution. Dito sa solution natin, in order for you to visualize the problem, kailangan tayo mag-plot ng points. Okay? Kailangan natin ng graph or figure so that we can easily analyze this problem. Okay? So dito muna tayo sa point A, 3 and -5. So 1, 2, 3. Then -5, pababa naman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? This will be our point A. -3 and -5. Then dito naman sa point B natin, 6 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 4 naman. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be point B, 6 and 4. Okay? So, if you're going to intersect this will be our diameter. And since yan yung diameter natin, all you have to do here is to get the center. Since we have 2 points given, we have to use the midpoint formula, right? Pag nakuha natin yung midpoint, makukuha na natin yung center ng circle. Okay? Proceed tayo sa next slide. Okay? Yung ating midpoint formula is m with coordinates x sub m and y sub m. So yung m, capital letter M, this is the midpoint. Okay? X sub m naman, x coordinate ng midpoint. Y sub m naman ay y coordinate ng midpoint natin. To get x sub m, that is equal to x sub 1 plus x sub 2 divided by 2. The formula in getting the y sub m naman, that is equal to y sub 1 plus y sub 2 divided by 2. Okay? So yung ating given kanina is point A, coordinates 3 and -5. Point B naman, 6 and 4. Our x sub 1, that is equal to 3. Y sub 1 naman natin ay -5. Okay? X sub 2 natin ay 6. Then, y sub 2 naman ay 4. Now, we're going to use this given to plug in our formula to get x sub n and y sub m. Okay? X sub m na muna tayo. Ano ang ating x sub 1? 3. Plus, x sub 2 natin is 6 divided by 2. X sub m, 3 plus 6 is 9 divided by 2. So, wala naman ito malo-lowest term, di ba? So, this is our x sub m. To get y sub m naman, what is our y sub 1? Negative 5. Plus, y sub 2 naman natin ay 4. Divided by 2. Okay? So, y sub m is equal to negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1 divided by 2. So, wala na din ito malo-lowest term. Okay? So, the coordinates of our midpoint, yung midpoint ng dalawang endpoints ng ating diameter is, di ba, x sub m and y sub m, di ba? Substitute lang natin. What is our x sub m? 9 over 2. Y sub m naman natin ay negative 1/2. Okay? If you're going to graph this, in our figure right here, kung ipa-plot natin yan, di ba ang ating midpoint ay 9 divided by 2 and negative 1 divided by 2. So, pag 9 over 2, kailangan natin gawing decimal. Okay? Itong mga fraction na coordinates ng midpoint. So, 9 divided by 2 is 4.5 and negative 1/2 is negative 0.5. Okay? Pwede na natin yan i-plug sa ating graph. So, 4.5. So, ang 4.5 nandito lang yan sa gitna ng 4 and 5. Okay? Negative 0.5. Okay? Nandito lang yan. At this point right here, that is our midpoint. And we know that pag nakuha natin yung midpoint, makakuha din natin yung center. And we know the midpoint is equal to the center, right? So that means that our center right here is 4.5 and negative 0.5, or our center is 9 over 2 and negative 1/2. Okay? So yung center natin dito, our center right here is 9 divided by 2 and negative 1/2. Okay? And if you're going to graph this using a compass, okay, we will form a circle. Again, this is the diameter. Itong kulay red na line na ito. And if you want to get the radius, because one of the requirements in order for you to formulate the standard equation of the circle is the radius of the circle, right? So, paano ba natin makukuha yun? Since we have the center already, we can compute for the radius by means of using the distance between 2 points formula, right? Diba dalawa yung ating points right here? Point C and point B. So, itong line na ito, line segment right here, we can compute for the R. You can also use this, itong points na ito, like point C and point A, in order for you to also compute for the radius of the circle. Equal lang naman yan. Okay? But I'm going to use ito na lang, itong line segment. Take note, itong line segment na ito, that is line segment BC or CB. This line segment right here is equal to R. So our line segment here is line segment AC or CA. Okay? And we can say that line segment BC is equal to line segment AC. Since press lang naman sa equal sa radius. Okay? So we take note that our center is also equal to 9 over 2 and negative 1 half. Yung gagamitin natin is 6 and 4, which is point B. 6 and 4. Our x sub 1 here is 9 over 2. Y sub 1 naman natin dito ay negative 1 half. Okay? X sub 2 naman natin is 6. Y sub 2 naman natin ay 4. Okay? Take note, our distance formula or the distance between 2 points formula is D is equal to the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 square plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 square. Okay? Since yung distance natin na kinukuha that is equal to the radius and also equal to the line segment BC. Okay? So R is equal to the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 square plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 square. Okay? What is our x sub 2? 6. Minus x sub 1 natin ay 9 divided by 2 square plus y sub 2 naman natin ay 4 minus, okay, parenthesis, open parenthesis, negative 1 half, since ang ating y sub 1 ay negative 1 half. Okay? So R is equal to the square root of, sige, simplify muna natin. 6 minus 9 divided by 2 square plus 4, negative times negative 1 half is positive 1 half square. Okay? So R is equal to the square root of, pwede mong i-multiply itong 6. Okay? You can use LCD, is common denominator, para ma-simplify ito, itong dalawang yan. Okay? But I will use other method na lang. Okay? Since ang ating ano ay 6, we can multiply that by the denominator of the fraction of 9 divided by 2, di ba? So yung 6, i-multiply lang natin ng 2 over 2. What is 6 times 2? That is 12, right? Divided by 2. So itong 12 divided by 2, isa-substitute natin yan dito sa 6. Okay? So 12 divided by 2 minus 9 divided by 2 square plus, so yung 4, pwede yan i-multiply natin ng denominator by 2, di ba? Kasi para hindi na kayo mag-LCD, you can just simplify it since magka-pair sila ng denominator. So 4 times 2 is 8 divided by 2. So palitan lang natin tong 4 ng 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 plus 1 half square. O R is equal to the square root of 12 minus 9 is 3, di ba? 3 divided by 2 square plus, so 8 plus 1 is 9 divided by 2 square. So wala naman lowest term yan, di ba? Okay. So R is equal to the square root of, so itong square na ito, distribute that to the numerator and denominator. So 3 squared, ito naman ay 2 squared, plus, distribute mo din yan, 9 square, 2 square. Okay? So R is equal to, 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, plus 9 square is 81, 2 square is 4. So R is equal to the square root of 9 plus 81 is 90 divided by 4. Right? So R is equal to, what is the simplified or the lowest term of 90 divided by 4? Equal to 55 divided by 2. Bakit 45 divided by 2? Diba 90 over 4 yan? Ang kanilang common factors are 2 and 2. So 90 divided by 2 is 45. 40 divided by 2 is 2. Kaya naging 45 yan. So R is equal to the square root of 45 and the square root of 2. Okay? So R is equal to, the square root of 45 is 9 times 5. Because 9 times 5 is 45. And copy lang natin yung square root of 2. So R is equal to the square root of 9 times the square root of 5 divided by the square root of 2. Okay? We can simplify the square root of 9. That will become 3. Yung square root of 5, wala naman yan. Copy lang natin. Square root of 2, copy lang din natin. Okay? So the next step that you're going to do is to rationalize this times the square root of 2 times the square root of 2. Okay? So R is equal to 3 square root of 5. Copy lang natin. Then yung square root of 2, copy lang din natin. Divided by square root of 2 multiplied by the square root of 2, that is equal to 2. Okay? So R is equal to 3 square root of 5. Pwede mo itong ipagsamahin since pairs lang sila naman ng square root. Square root of 2 lang yan. Okay? 5 times 2 divided by 2. So R is equal to 3 square root of 10 divided by 2 units. Don't forget the word units. So units, since wala naman tayong specific na unit for radius like meters, centimeters, feet, etc. Okay? Since meron na tayong radius and meron na tayong center, we can now solve for the standard equation of our circle. Okay? So yung ating center ulit ay 9 divided by 2 and negative 1/2, right? So x minus h square plus y minus k quantity square is equal to r square. So this will be our formula para makuha natin yung standard equation of our circle. Okay, dito sa center natin, yung h dito, yun yung ating x-coordinate ng center natin. So h is equal to 9 over 2 and our k is equal to negative 1/2. We're just going to substitute here in our formula. Okay, x minus, what is our h? 9 over 2 square plus y minus, open parenthesis, negative 1/2. Okay, square is equal to 3 square root of 10 divided by 2. Don't include the word units. Okay, only the number, square. So x minus 9 over 2 square plus y, negative times negative 1/2 is positive 1/2. Square is equal to 3 square is 9, right? Then the square root of 10, ma-cancel out lang yan. That will become 10. So multiplied by 10. Divided by 2 square is 4. Kasi didistribute mo yung square dito sa 3, dito sa square root of 10, and dito sa denominator na 2. Okay? So, simplify natin. X minus 9 over 2 square plus y plus 1/2 square is equal to 9 times 10 is 90 divided by 4. Okay? So, this will be our final answer. Okay? So, x minus 9 over 2 quantity square plus y plus 1/2 quantity square is equal to 90 divided by 4. Okay, for more videos on pre-calculus problems and math-related topics, please subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to be notified whenever I post new videos in my YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day.